Hi everybody, my name is Dean Hendricks. I'm the owner of Quick Fix Industries, and today we're going to blow your mind on how easy it is to repair your own sprinkler system. We're going to show you how by using this inside pipe connector, and this could be done within 15 minutes or less, total repair time, for $15 or less in total material costs. And this is how it's done. Okay, so we have a riser that has clearly snapped off right at the T. So this head now is spewing out water straight out of the pipe. But these fittings are so close to one another that all this stuff would have to be removed to get this one T out of here to stick this pipe back in another T with the pipe still stuck in there. So there's nothing you can glue onto this other than go inside it. So we have a part called the inside pipe connector. It's 1/2 inch. This pipe is 1/2 inch. So this tapered end is going to fit straight down in there. So instead of cutting all this out and rebuilding everything with the 1T, the 2T, the elbow, and God knows what is underneath the ground beyond this, so we would have to cut out and reconfigure all this, which would take probably an hour, if not even more. We're just simply going to glue this inside pipe connector inside this 1/2 inch pipe that's inside the T, and then we'll build off from there. So it gets glued on the tapered end of the fitting, like so, and then inside the T that's still remaining in the ground. And we'll take our fitting, stick it right in the hole. We have a coupling, that's what we're going to couple to this to adjoin it to the now new piece that still kept all this from having to be cut out. So I'll go ahead and glue my coupling onto the fitting, and then we'll take our riser and we'll glue it right to the coupling. So we have both of them glued. Now we just stick that in there and the job is complete.